guys, it's Tom here from Team GenerEOS, back at you with another video. Today we're going to have a look at the EOS toolkit. I've got my EOS jumper on here, but we're going to have a look at some of the new features that we've just pushed out and some new user interface that we've also added to it as well. So this is a new homepage. I'm on my dummy account here. But what you can see is we've added this new features tab on the left hand side, and we've left a bit of an explanation here for you guys. So getting started, we're making it super easy for people to get started. A little instruction on installing Scatter, and then check out our Zendesk. So we've actually created a Zendesk with a whole bunch of tutorials, helpful tutorials for the EOS toolkit and also the EOS network in general. So we're going to be adding to that from the days and weeks to come, and we want that to be a very useful resource for anyone who's looking to use our toolkit or the EOS network in general. So we're just going to jump on that real quick, and then I'll go back and have a look at this dashboard again. So if we go over here, this is our Zendesk, helpdesk.eostoolkit.io. We've actually collaborated with Blockgenic, who has helped us with a lot of tutorials. They've been pretty good with us. We've pushed it all out. So this is what it looks like here. We have a few sections. So you can see EOS Toolkit Guides, EOS Introduction, EOS Tools, EOS Governance, EOS Developers, EOS Block Producers. And then we've got some other articles here as well. So some more specific articles that you guys can have a look at there. And this is just our recent activity. So you can see what's recently been posted as well. So primarily we can have a look at the EOS Toolkit guides. If you're jumping on the toolkit, you've got some questions, you can use this as your first point of resource. Again, there's always an open invitation to our Telegram groups as well. We're more than happy to help people out. We've got contributors there that are going to help people out, and also our community members have always been able to answer people's questions about the toolkit or the EOS network in general. But this is just an added bonus to just have all these questions, these FAQ questions answered. So look, if you want to look at how to vote, that might be a new question for a lot of newcomers. You can just go click through that, and it goes voting on the EOS. It takes you through it. It takes you through the decay. It takes you through our new voting portal that we've actually installed on the EOS toolkit. So now you can actually vote for 30 of your favorite block producers with our toolkit as well. And there you go. So that's a quick little tutorial. We've got a Scatter tutorial link there as well. So if I'll just go, okay, I can just navigate through here actually. So if you want to look at how to stake and unstake your tokens, then you can have a look at this tutorial here. What the background will lead you through what actually this all means, this CPU, net, and RAM, how to stake tutorial right there, how to unstake tutorial here. So it's very much filled with a lot of helpful resources. How to reset your keys, transfer airdrop tokens. So yeah, let's just go through and have a look at this one. So if you want to transfer some airdrop tokens that you've got, or your EOS tokens, you can have a look at this tutorial. It's going to teach you how to do it through our EOS toolkit as well. So it's a very much a consolidated guide of a lot of the FAQ questions on the EOS toolkit that we brought together with Blockgenic to the community. So hopefully that helps you guys out in answering a lot of those little questions that you might have, or those errors that you might be getting when you're using the toolkit, and you may have forgotten to miss a step, or you've missed a step, and you're getting some kind of errors and you need to ask someone some questions. You can use a Zendesk, and you can jump on our Telegram group as well. So back to the dashboard, what we've actually done is just broken it down to make it a little bit more digestible for everyone. So we've got a favorites tab here. So you've got features, donate, governance, airdrop tokens, find accounts, create accounts, transfer tokens. We have manage accounts. We have manage voting. So, you know, if you need some healthy shortcuts, you can just click on these and you can just go straight into voting. We have community features. These are more for your proposals and your voting on-chain. We have multi-signature transactions, which is a new feature again for those people who are interested in creating multi-signature transactions there. We also have block producers, so they can claim rewards from their vote and block rewards as well. So that is a little brief summary of our new look dashboard for the EOS Toolkit, and also of our Zendesk, our help desk for the EOS community and the EOS network. So hopefully that has given you guys a little bit more information. Do check out all our useful resources here. Let us know if you have any questions, and you can always hit us up on Telegram as well. So I'm Tom again from Team GenerEOS. Have a good day, guys. See you later.